thank you all today for being here, especially Mr. Hoekstra. Thank you for being here. A Jewish writer and a Holocaust survivor, Elie Wiesel, once said, "When a person doesn't have gratitude, something is missing in his or her humanity." A person can be defined by his or her attitude toward gratitude. From humanitarian assistance to life-saving relief, to development assistance and security assistance, as the world's most powerful nation, America has provided more foreign assistance than any other country in the world. The United States have inherited a specific and special responsibility, a responsibility that the United States chose for itself at the end of the Second World War. That is, to use its economic, political, and military might to deter and prevent another of the great wars between major powers that so consumed the early part of the 20th century. Like the Marshall Plan, like the creation of the United Nations, and today, with no exception, as the world decided to turn the back toward the helpless Uyghur people, as the human universal value is being violated, as the never again is happening again, because America, who have decided to step up and help. Thank you, America. June 17, a special day for most of the Uyghur people, the day that President Donald Trump signed the Uyghur Human Rights Bill. We are happy because we have hope again. You can see the joy of every Uyghur in their face. This signing has given us confidence and hope for the future. As today, I'm living in a country where democracy, freedom, and equality. This gives me the opportunity to make the voice of my oppressed people. Thank you, the Netherlands. In the end, I would like to thank the United States for being here. We, as the members of such Uyghur Human Rights Foundation, really hope for a long-term cooperation. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you. It is